Are you looking for a simple to follow, beginner-friendly video editing class online? Then Video Editing Made Easy, a beginner's guide, is for you. You can find the link below, or you can go to caseyslate.com/class. Are you a student, a network marketer, homeschool family? Then I have a special discount promo code for you. Just click the link below.
In this class, I'm going to show you how to edit a video from start to finish, and I'm going to share all of my inside secrets that I've learned over the last 8 years. This class is presented in a beginner-friendly, simplified manner. I have been a video editor since 2015, and I was completely self-taught, so this class is 100% from my point of view and from my opinion. I'm also a teacher at heart, and so I love sharing my insights in a step-by-step approach to make it easier for you to get started in your journey. Even if you don't consider yourself very tech savvy, this class is for you. I actually don't consider myself very highly tech savvy, but I was able to self-teach all of the software programs that I use. In this course, you're going to receive several lessons with video trainings by me, along with a printable PDF version of each lesson. Because you receive instant access to the course, you're able to watch all the videos at once or go at your own pace. If you wish to acquire efficient video editing skills, either for your own videos or potential clients, this class is for you. After signing up, you'll receive instant access to all of the video trainings and PDFs, so you can start video editing immediately. I use primarily iMovie to teach this class, but the skills that you learn in iMovie can be transferable to other video editing software programs. So I'm super excited to join you in the virtual classroom to teach you how to be an efficient video editor.